Hey guys, we have the Allure box today, and I haven't opened it yet. So let's take a look. And this is a $10 a month box plus shipping. So let's take a look in here. I always find no matter what the Allure box is, kind of always want to keep having no matter what. So first off, you get everything that's in the box in here. Second off, there is a $20 gift. It's celebrating Christmas stuff. Your full price. Oh, it's like a $20 off coupon. Don't need to use that, to be honest. And then, first things first, the 3-in-1 try texture spray. I'm like, huh? Okay. So it gives you volume, it refreshes, and it holds. It's like a dry shampoo meets hairspray. That's exactly what it says, to be honest. Okay. It is white, to be honest. I don't know if you guys can see that right there. And I apologize for ripping. He's watched his animes. He watches them very well. There's some summer exclusives in here, too. Now, okay. Green. Oh. I'm glad that they changed this up to where it goes into the band versus like the little clippy clip. Yeah. Okay. So first things first. By the brow gel. We got a spoolie. And then, oh good, we have a pencil. To be honest, when it comes to something like this, I think it's really hard because they don't actually ask specifically like what your hair color is, like what your skin tone is. And to be honest, my skin tone is very fair. Especially in the winter time. So like not everyone's made the same when you're very fair. Just saying. Everyone else, you gotta work with what you got. Second thing is we have something by Floss. My new favorite lip gloss. Okay, Floss. Lip lime. Okay. I'm gonna take off this lip gloss here. And I literally don't have anything to do that with. Excuse me for a second. Wow, yeah, this is what I do. Because people, I guess they just didn't think to give me damn napkins. I literally had the longest day of my life today. So, I went and I got McDonald's. Okay. This is, I'm guessing, the shade Allure. It says it on the back here. Almost looks like July. Without the J. It's spelled differently. This says never tested on animals. I don't understand. It just says your favorite lip gloss. Okay. We have. Ooh, okay. This is like some spring water shit. I want to get this open the back. Donuts. Don't ask me what I did with my turkeys. I don't know. Ta-da! Okay. You're supposed to like do it like glue yourself down. Actually, it feels really nice to be honest. I'm like, what are we supposed to be doing with this? This is all in French. Okay. Okay, it is soothing care for sensitive, hypersensitive, allergenic, and irritated skin. Soothing for sunburns, adjunctive care, I don't know what that means. Facial redness, diaper rash, various skin irritations, post procedure care, after shaving, after hair removal, comfort, freshness, to complete makeup removal after exercising during summer. This is exactly what I need in summertime. Spray me all. But yeah, here in Arizona, I'm gonna try that out. I'm gonna take that to me on Thursday. I remember too. And then we have Moroccan oil treatment for all hair types. Okay. You apply a small amount throughout damp hair, style as usual. I love these. Last but not least, okay, this is Context Vitamin C All Day Eye Cream. That I'm guessing you just use it. I mean, really, there's not much to do with eye cream except for put it underneath it. This is very serumy, very thin texture. Doesn't really smell like anything. You see that glow? Okay, that's the serum eye cream. Let's take a look and see how much everything is. And if I missed anything. Sorry, I'm being a little weird. I literally got off like an hour ago. Wait. Okay. I have one of my favorite brands here. It is $23. This says it has a perfect waxy consistency for creating believable fullness that's not too heavy. That's reviewed by someone, but $23. They even have this sharpener. Okay. Next thing we got our Moroccan oil. So it looks like, so this is a silicone-based oil. Someone said when they put it on, their hair, if they put on too much, their hair never feels greasy. Yep. So this, a full size of this, which this might be it because on here it says 0.34. Right here. It says a full size of this is $44. Jesus Christ. Okay. The Avine Cure Mer Thermal Spring Water. Cubic and stunning. This is $18.50 for. I hope not for like this size. Yeah. Just hang on 1, 2, 3 or something like 1, 2, 3. So good to go. It's apparently what you're supposed to do. $18.50. We got our gloves. So the formula is, this person says the formula is very thin, but it feels lightweight, which I do agree. It's very nice. I like the formula here. It's not like you have like the lines. And they do make a point. The tube is squeezable, so you can use every single drop of product. That is nice. This is $16. Okay. We got our eye cream. This is $35. Apparently, it has a slightly cooling effect. That's good. This person says they love using it for midday touch-ups. Just squeeze out a drop, pat it over my 3 p.m. concealer. Yeah. So there are some active ingredients in here. So vitamin C and E, and that will guard against pigmentation and collagen breakdown. And we start losing collagen when we are 25. Because it stops producing itself. And then we just have this. I think this is just like an added bonus. Because it's just on the back. There's not much information. So I'm definitely going to try this. I'm going to try all of it. I will give this a 7.5 out of 10. Just because it's very, again, a lot of skincare during the summertime. They do a lot of skincare to help. Max, go. He likes eating off the table. Watching it. And again, I'm like, for you, but I love makeup, but I think when it comes down to Max is I'm more of a makeup person than a skincare person. I usually use this about the same thing. There's only so much skincare that you could use. Again, there's only so much makeup you could use. But personally, if I had to choose, I would do makeup. But I will use all of this. I will. This is definitely going to be interesting in the middle of the day. But I can never find eye cream. I have like 3 of them floating around somewhere. So that's going to be good. Adding another one to the mix. So, hair oil. Never use it wrong unless your hair does not like it. That's the only thing. If your hair doesn't like it, don't use it. I definitely will use this because I don't like washing my hair every other day, maybe 5 days. You never know. So I am going to go and relax and enjoy my weekend coming up. So, sorry I'm so weird, but I will see you guys later.